Line family, Terrace Martin, DJ motherfucking Quick.
What's up? We are in Blue Line in California. We got Mad Eddie, see the dogs, and we're coming from Hungary. We will be the partners from Eddie. We're gonna be in our first Hungarian and hopefully the best European Blue Line kennel. Part of the best. Keep it together. I show my friend, my partner, u.s.a.
Blue Line kennel, the best.
In Hungarian?
In the world.
Mondjad magyarul.
A Blue Line kennel a világon a legjobb kennel.
Alright, and I show my friends, Attila and Diamond Leslie. Diamond Leslie, man. He's a cool guy. So yeah, we just getting our two first puppies, and hopefully it's gonna do a good start. We just gonna keep it. Don't fuck with Blue Lines, man. Blue Lines is the best. It's a roll. Keep it together. Peace.
Okay. American Bully, nagyon jó fajta kutya. Azért tetszik nekem, mert erős, széles, sportos, és Edditől van. Yeah?
Yeah, just like he said it. We like bullies because they are a character. They are the real dogs. And special, the dogs coming from Eddie. You know Eddie, Blue Line Kennels.
Lenni nálad, Eddie. Jól érezzük magunkat, hát ha még este adsz egy jó kis cuccot is.
Hát föl lesz az interneten.
Yeah, nagyon jó.
Alright, we are in California, Riverside, next to Eddie. He's the man we got in the dogs from.
Jó itt az élet, úgyhogy visszajövünk egy fél év múlva.
Keep it bully. Keep it bully, man, forever.
Alright, Atomic Dog, everybody.
Atomic Dog. Keep it bully. Blue Line Kennel, the family.
And I also cannot forget about my two homeboys.
Like that. Shake it, baby, shake it. Show you how you run. Show you how you run. Blue Line.
Alright, that's good, man, that's good.
Is that Corrupt over there? What's up, Corrupt? Bad luck too? What up, luck? Oh, anyway, yo, we ain't done yet. Also to my favorite army, plus the U.S. Army, but my favorite army, the Blue Line Army. Hey, Danny, where it's at? Yeah, and we play no games. Blue Line families running things. Blue Line families running things. Blue Line families running things. Yeah, and a big thanks also goes out to the whole Atomic Dog staff for making that cover happen with Corrupt, DJ Quick, and Big Fat Ass Smokey, you know? So check this out. Also want to send a thanks to my homeboy Lance from the Blue Line family at Leprechaun Kennels. What up? What up? Yeah, and we play no games.